Hello everyone. So in the last video we have created a very simple starter template for our PHP website. So today I just want to continue working on a website by integrating a carousel with Bootstrap, a very simple one. So we're gonna start by this is the code last time that we did, very simple one, right? We have a folder called includes with header and footer PHP template, and then we got an index, which is this one, very simple one, that we include our header and a footer. So right now what we want to do is to include a carousel, right? So what you can do is just go to the Google and Carousel Bootstrap. Okay, Carousel Bootstrap, and we go here and just select the one that you like. We have several one, but I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, this one is with indicators. Okay, and just copy it, go back, and pass it in. Okay, it's important to remind the viewers that make sure that you watch the previous video where in our header we should have the Bootstrap CSS, and in the footer we have the JavaScript Bootstrap. Okay, because without this your carousel won't work. Okay, so that's the first thing. Just copy and paste here, and let's get to our website. Reload it. We see here's the first slide, but there's nothing in there because there's no picture. We have to import the picture. Okay, second slide. Yeah, so what we can do right now is to create another folder. We call it img, and just oh, oops, this one should not be within the include. It should be outside. Yep, so it should be outside. Okay, at an equal level with includes. Right now we don't have any image, but let's put in some. Okay, and we just have, for example, just computer and conference. Put in the image. Okay, right. Now let's go back to our code, and then for the source, start adding img just gpg, for example, and then img computer jpeg, and finally for the source slide we have something like img and conference.jpg. Alright, let's go back and see if it works. Okay, so we have our carousel integrated, right? Let's try next. Well, it seemed to work. Good. Now the next thing we want to do is that it seemed a bit too big for the screen, so we want to make it smaller, right? So the way we do that, we can do it pretty simple, just by going to our header. Okay, and well, you can create your own CSS, a separate file CSS here, but because there's nothing much to do here, so I'm just going to go ahead and start it right here. So what we can do, we will see how can we control it by looking for the ID. Okay, so this is for nav bar. We have to look for the ID or the class of the okay, this one is just carousel. Okay, so here I see this, we have an ID here. Just grab it, this ID does not really cover the whole thing, so we have to add another here. For example, for the welcome, for example. Okay, so I add a class here, welcome. Get back to our header and start it, welcome. So we want to do it margin 50 pixel, for example, and one auto, and then we got a width. I want to do something like 600 pixel, for example. Let's try to see. All right, so we got something like this, still working normally, been good. What if I want the corner to have rounded corner rather than the square corner? So what we can do is welcome, and then img. The img here is actually this one. Okay, we got the img 3 img here. So you can just do any like carousel inner in the img, but I'm going to do this. Go back to header and then just border radius 20 pixel, and go back, see how it's work. All right, so there we have the rounded corner right here. Okay, so I've just in this video I'm just already show you like how we can integrate it a carousel in Bootstrap in our website, a very simple one. But anyway, hope that you guys found it useful. Thanks for watching.